Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to secure your Bluesky account and make sure you will have logged in, and I will just move in the settings which is left, and now I will just choose the second option which is privacy and security, and you will just enable this two-factor authentication. It is add an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of verification in addition to secure your password. And currently Blue Sky supports two-factor authentication through email codes. To enable it, I already enabled. You will just tap on it here and you will just enable. So you can just sometimes if someone obtain your password, they will also need access to your email to log in and significantly enhancing your account's security. So you can just also use strong password and unique characters to secure your account. So this is you can just secure your account on Blue Sky. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.